Hi, I'm Joey with American Overhead Door and Dock, and we're going to touch on dock seals and dock shelters. What type of dock seal does your facility call for? Typically, on big box building or specs buildings, you're going to see a typical compression seal, adjustable head curtain dock seal. Make sure if you're specifying a dock seal that you specify an adjustable head curtain, or you're going to get a fixed head curtain dock seal. A fixed head curtain dock seal is not going to be able to be adjusted to different heights with different trucks that come in. An adjustable head curtain dock seal has a rope with a cleat that you can pull up and down to lower and raise the height of your head curtain. This helps to seal against lower and taller trucks. What type of material do you want to use? If you don't specify anything, you're typically going to get a 20-ounce vinyl seal. 20-ounce vinyl seals are construction grade seals, which are very competitive, but aren't going to take major wear and tear. This is a small sample of a typical compression style dock seal. 20-ounce vinyl with no wear pleats, no upgrades or anything else. This is your wear section. As the truck air ride moves up and down, it's going to slide up and down against this. The thicker the material, the better. You have 22 ounce, 32 ounce, 40 ounce, and then proprietary materials that multiple different manufacturers call different things. These are high tear materials that are going to give you the best longevity and the best wear. Here we have another compression seal. This compression seal has wear pleats. It's a 22 ounce base with 40 ounce wear pleats. The wear pleats are 4-inch exposure. The different exposures on the wear pleats come in 4, 8, and sometimes 16-inch. The lower the exposure, the more longevity you're going to get out of it. When the truck backs in, it compresses against this dock seal, creating a positive seal against the truck and the building. As your air ride trucks move up and down, they're going to rub against the wear pleats and not allow for your base material to be torn. This is going to give you the best quality for your customer, and it's also going to give you the longest life. Wear pleats are highly recommended if it's a tenant-driven building. Dock shelter. Dock shelters work differently than a dock seal, but they are also going to seal the widest variety of trucks coming into your facility. Dock seals are not compression. As a truck backs in, the side flaps are going to seal against the side of the truck. This creates less wear and tear on your dock shelter. The dock shelter's materials come in the same variety of materials as your dock seal. 22 ounce, 32 ounce, 40 ounce, and proprietary materials. This is a rigid dock shelter. Rigid dock shelters are constructed of 2x4 frames. They could come in pressure treated, kiln dried. You can also upgrade to steel or soft sided. This is a translucent fiberglass material which allows light in, but keeps pests, rodents, and everything else, including weather, out. Your head member works similar to your side members. As the truck backs in, your top flap is going to seal against the top of the truck. This is not going to create a weather-tight seal. If the truck is jacked up, water will run back down into the building and onto your loading dock. Dock shelters, again, offer the widest sealing variety. If you have multiple different trucks coming into a facility, you're going to want to look at a dock shelter. You can upgrade to a soft-sided dock shelter, which is basically a hybrid between a dock seal and a dock shelter. So if a truck comes in canted or off center, it's not going to destroy your frame. You can also upgrade to steel to keep from rotting. The steel is usually going to come in galvanized. Your door size is also going to help to determine what type of seal you need to use. 8x10s and 9x10s that are seeing the same size trucks over and over, your typical compression style dock seal is fine. If you go over 9x10, you're going to want to upgrade to either an L-pad dock seal or a dock shelter to make sure that it's sealing properly. An upgrade to both dock seals and dock shelters that is going to help keep water from running down the top of the truck and into the building is a rain diverting header. There's multiple different manufacturers, but they all pretty much do the same thing. And what this does is it puts a shelter header over top of your dock seal or dock shelter that is going to create a positive seal against the top of your truck and divert the water to the sides of your truck and not allow water to run into the loading dock. These are especially good and useful in pharmaceutical grade applications, food storage applications, and applications that you have dry goods that can't become wet. They're also going to keep your loading dock dry and prevent slip and fall accidents. Thanks for sticking with me on the dock seal and dock shelter specifications. Hope to see you on the next project.